Alright, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to turn this blurry picture on the right into the sharp picture on the left. This works really great when you're in a pinch. So start with Photoshop, open up the image. Sorry, my computer's going a little slow, so when I zoom in it's going to be a little choppy. There you can see it's kind of out of focus, a little fuzzy. What we're going to do is we're going to save this picture as a JPEG to our desktop, and then we are going to transfer it over to our phone. We're going to be using a app called Remini on our mobile device. So whatever the easiest way for you to get that picture over to your phone, do that. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to use AirDrop. And like I said, once we get it over to our phone, we're going to open an app called Remini. Maybe it's pronounced Remini, not really sure. I'll show it to you here in a second. So let's switch over to our phone. There's Remini. Once you open it, you're going to click on Enhance. Then you're going to click on the picture you want to enhance, and then the little check mark at the bottom. It's going to do its thing. Now Remini only works on faces. It doesn't work on anything else. So I'll show you the before and after of the face here once it's done. Here we go. Let me zoom up a little bit. And you can see it did a pretty good job. So now we're going to retransfer that photo back to our computers. Now we're back in Photoshop. I've already transferred that photo from Remini back to the computer. We're going to drag that picture into Photoshop. We're going to create a mask because we only want the face to be visible. So create a mask by holding down Alt, that way everything is hidden. Then you're going to take your, well, let me zoom in here. Again, sorry about the laggy computer. We're going to take a brush now and make sure you have white selected and the mask selected, and then you're just going to paint over the face, and you'll see that it's making that face nice and sharp. It will do the hair a little bit, but really you want to stop at the chin and just do the face and a little bit of the hair. And from there, you can do whatever you want with the photo. It's done. That's a good way to save yourself. If you took a photo that needs to be sharp, if the face is sharp, no one will notice that the rest isn't sharp. Hope that helps.